Okay. Paano ba medium nito?
Yeah, so we're going on Facebook Live.
Hala ka. Naka-live pala ito.
Yes. Are you okay with the Facebook Live?
Not really, pero okay lang. Carry lang. Sige, first time.
Okay. So we're actually live now. But what we're gonna do, no worries. This is just a Facebook page. So it's all right. It's gonna be fun.
Okay.
So hello everybody. Hello foxes. Hello sugar babes. Welcome to our Friday evening. And this evening we have a very very beautiful guest in our midst. So by the way, I am Tina Suelto, and with me is our very beautiful gorgeous guest. That is very whenever you say sugar babes, she's one of the person that I could think of now. Yeah, Mommy Marge is the sugar babe. So sugar babe is this empowered lady who inspires other women to create more. So this you inspire other women to create more. Like you're not allowing your gender to stop you from creating more, but rather you contribute to who by being you. Okay. So yeah, so with us we have a very very beautiful Mommy Marge, Mommy Marjeline Reyes. Okay,
Yes. Hello.
hello. So we are live.
Hello, everyone. What's my first time? So good luck to me. Never done this before. So let's go.
Yes. So yeah, I thought you knew because I think I sent a video about the sugar babes
Yeah,
and
but the
something
problem is,
about it.
medyo scared. Alala mo, yeah, anyway.
Yeah, so we're actually live
hello
on
everyone for those listening. Watching. Hello.
So we are live um on our Facebook page called the Fox Tribe, and every Fridays we have what we call this segment na Sugar Babe. So yon. So by the way, tonight you have a lot of ladies watching you right now. So our friends were also Sugar Babes in their own right. And tell me something about yourself that you would like people to know about you. Like something fun.
About myself. Actually, I still don't know myself.
Yeah.
Still searching for myself.
That's
I've been
okay.
locked up for 20 years. 20
Wow.
years.
For how many?
Forget about myself.
Okay.
20 years. So for up to 20
Mm-hmm.
years, I realized I need to find myself. So I'm still searching for myself, but right now I can tell you that um I am well, simple single. Okay, very single. No commitment right now. So
Wow.
after 20 years, finally become single and have waken up from the long sleep of,
Wow.
So, and right now I'm working as a senior consultant for immigration in Canada. So let's be serious about myself. So basically
Yes.
I started the business 15 years ago. Okay. Immigration services. So that's where I started my own business. And then the rest are, other business pa. Yun lang. So, yun lang. I'm not like bragging about myself. So,
So, wow, I about this, it's like this moment is like you're recreating yourself anew, if that's,
yes.
something like that, like,
Ladun, actually, it's not recreating, maybe rediscovering. I
yeah,
mean, going back to 20 years ago, who is March before? Parang ganon.
yeah.
So going back to my old self, I why am I saying this? 20 years prior to this, for 20 years, I've been in a relationship. Okay, I had a partner for 20 years. Then, things didn't go well after
Mm.
20 years with him. Kaya finally discovered that, mga kalokohan. So finally nagising ako.
Yeah.
Akala ng family ko, nobody will know. Hindi ako magigising,
Yeah.
even my friends. So they thought, ganun na ako forever. So kinilimutan ko yung sarili ko. I forgot about myself. I started doing things na parang sa kanya lang lahat nakafocus. Work, until yung mga bagay na may talent ako, kinilimutan ko yun. So ngayon, finally nagising ako. I said to myself, hey, I used to be good in photography. I used to be good in ganito. I do archery. I do like this. I do paintings. What happened to me? So finally, this
Oh,
2020,
archery.
the 2020 made me realize what I've missed for the past 20 years. You see? So that's why I am rediscovering myself. Yes, so it's a good thing. It started last year. Maganda yung lockdown eh. Totoo lang, the lockdown made me think a lot of things about myself. I mean, in contrary to other people na they got crazy, anxiety and everything. Me, no. I had a time. I had the time to reassess myself, to see myself. Doon sa 1 year na I'm not going out, I'm staying home, working home, I realized something, And I hope some people would also see this part ng lockdown that you have. Ito yung moment na sinabi sa'yo ng mundo, the universe, hey, you need to stop. Diba? You need to stop, see yourself.
Yeah.
Baka you need to do something about it. I mean, you need to do something sa sarili mo, to yourself, sa paligid mo, para baguhin mo yun.
Wow.
So, yun yung nangyari sa akin. So, it's, parang reborn, parang gano'n.
Yes, I love that. I mean, the unique people during 2020, those people who are actually very unique, like they took 2020 as a space for growth. It wasn't something that was negative for a lot of people who are always creating, especially people like you, Mami Marge. And for people who chose themselves, I mean, 2020 was a year that a lot of people were able to reflect. Is what I'm doing what I like? Is what I like, or is my life right now something that I truly enjoy? And you were able to assess, and that is really a good inspiration to draw from. That yes, that moment of pause for everyone was actually a contribution to many. So wow, that is very beautiful.
If 2020 didn't happen, I wouldn't realize my value as a person. I wouldn't start loving myself again. I would just, go on with my life, work, ignoring what my previous partner been doing. Parang dead ma lang. Parang, I just keep on accepting. Kahit mali, accepting na kasi because I never had a time to think about it. I never had a time to analyze things in my life, with our relationship. Wait. Parang, 2020 made me stop na. Stop. You need to assess. Look at your partner. He's not respecting you. He's doing this and blah, 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 and just ignoring it. Pero nung nangyari in 2020, nakita ko yun. It's an eye-opener. That's why, for me, 2020 was never negative. It's the best thing ever happened to me kasi I stopped for a while. The universe, the universe taught me how to assess everything in my life without doing anything. Alam mo yung magandang gano'n? So, yun eh. It's a gift for me, actually. It's a big gift. Kasi na-realize yung time ko. Then I said to myself, I'm 40. my 20 years with a partner na hindi na ako binirespeto. Hindi ako ginagalang. Kinikip ng babae and everything. And then I said, hey, I still have another 40 years or 20 years. Then I talked to God. God, give me another 20. I'm telling you, give me another 10 more years or 20 years na malakas ako. I promise, whatever gift you've given me, ibabalik ko. Sabi ko, I know you've given me so many talents, so many gifts. Kaya pinabayaan ko. Because I focused on the relationship that it was, although from the beginning, it was a red flag siya eh. Parang, I keep ignoring the red flags. So, then, one day kinising ako, na tipong without thinking myself, ay, you have to value yourself. Hey, ganito ka, maganda ka. Maganda ka. You're beautiful. You're perfect. You've done a lot of things in your life compared to other people na hindi nagagawa. That's it. Just love yourself. Look at me again. Look at yourself again. Yun lang. It's a beautiful thing. Totoo lang.
Wow. I love that take. True. Finding ourselves, or not really just finding, but rediscovering who we truly are, is really a beautiful thing. And during 2020, what have you explored about you that you enjoyed so much?
Right now?
That you like, and then, that you find parang, wow. Yeah.
Basically, yung mga traits ko, kasi before I used to like archery, photography, lahat yun tinanggal ko. So, 2020, para ako naging 24 again. It's like naging 20 to 2020 na ulit ako. So, imagine mo, minus 20 years, back to 24 ulit. Bumalik ako sa interest ko. So, ito yung one thing na gusto ko. I went back exercising, nag-workout ulit ako, and then I went back to sabi ko, I bought a bow and arrow ko, lahat, binalikan ko. Then sabi ko, may camera. So, okay, camera. Then one of my teacher in college, sa Lasal, sabi niya, why don't you go back to photography? You're one of the best photographer, blah, blah, blah. I mean, my previous partner, I did not, interfere. Hindi ako ng camera, ng photography. Kasi gusto ko siya yung nasa limelight. Siya yung nandun doon sa spotlight, okay? Sa kanya yung spotlight ng pagiging photographer, pagiging photojournalist. I realized, hey, I am more talented than you. All the awards that you've won, so from the photos na nanalo ka, it was all my choice. It was the photos na pinili ko. So sabi ko, sayang yung talent ko. I went back to photography ngayon. So little things, little things na parang I'm happy doing. Started doing the painting. Wow. I'm so weird talaga. And then aside from that, na-change ko yung room ko. So yun naman yun, sarap ng feeling. And then mga people, yung tao sa akin. Yung people who works for me, I realize their value. Hindi lahat, not everybody in your company is parang, it's not important the number of people who works for you. The number is the quality of people who works for you. The people with integrity and loyalty. That's the most important. People na dapat mong i-help during the time ng talagang makakaintindi sa'yo at the moment na kailangan mo na makakasama sa trabaho. So yun. Ang dami ko na-realize. Yeah. And kung may gusto mong ginagawa, that is yung archery. Bumalik ako doon.
Wow. I love that about people that we work with and we create.
Correct talaga.
Wow. I love. So archery, awesome. Magpaturo kami ng archery soon.
I'm sure. Before calligraphy, remember?
Kaya.
And then I went back. Yeah, yung mga kamay ko praktisado, ang lalaki na naman niya. Aside from that, I went back to piano. Oh my God, it's been
okay.
So, although medyo ngayon napapractice ako kasi matigas na yung mga kamay ko. So, sabi ko, went back to piano. So, things that I love to do before I decided to be with someone. I went back to the park side. When I was in college, and then after college, high school, pinali ko yan. Hindi ko lang mababalik siguro yung pagbabali-bali dyan kasi siyempre matitigas na mga buto ng lola mo. So, yun lang yun. Hindi mo na maibabalik yun. But then you go back to sa mga bagay na gusto. Things that you love to do. things that you love doing. Masaya ka.
True.
Whether you have with someone or
Yes.
masarap. Then
Wow. I can feel the sarap.
and you know what? What's good thing about this? When you started to realize yourself, how beautiful you are, people,
yes,
nagre-reflect. Yung mga tao sa paligid mo, who doesn't even know you well, nakikita yung glow mo, nakikita yung value mo. You started loving yourself, doing things that you like, mas na-attract mo yung mga tao na parang, uy, pangarap ko lang. Gusto yung nakagusto sa'yo. So, parang ganon. So, you start to attract people.
Yeah.
Whether it's somebody na parang potential lover or friend or anything, you started to attract those when you started, appreciating yourself more.
Wow. I love that because, that is very beautiful. So, here's another, I love what you're doing with your rediscovering self by going back to what you truly like and enjoy. And here's another question I'm going to ask. What is great about being a woman or a lady?
Great being a woman?
I mean, what's the advantage that you feel like as a lady? Yeah.
We're more versatile.
What's fun?
The most advantage, women are more versatile compared to men. You know what? Well, women can do everything. Actually, almost anything. If the man says, you cannot carry this because this too heavy, come on. Everybody can carry those bags of bigas dyan if you want to carry that. I can do that. Okay? But you can never get pregnant. You can never take care. We're very, being a woman is I'm not saying na sobra tayong magaling, no? Compare sa men, pero you can do everything actually. Almost anything. And being a woman, sabi ko sa'yo,
so true.
You can do everything.
So that's how powerful we are.
You can draw. Being a woman, you can draw anything. Everything, i-draw mo yung attentions, kayang gawin ng babae. Kaya yung mga babae, sabi ko sa'yo, pasalamat ako sa Lord, binilik niya ako bilang babae. Pero feeling ko past life ko, lalaki ako. Pero feeling ko binilik niya ako, pero ma-feel ko maging babae at ma-appreciate yung babae. Maging babae. Pero, kaya nga ako sabi ko, masarap pala maging babae. Because, parang tayong jack of all trades, kaya natin gawin lahat eh. May mga bagay ang lalaki na hindi, maiilang silang gawin. Kaya hindi. From paggawaing bahay, tawag ito, pag kuryente, pok-pok, women can do that. Aside from that, women, tayo, babae, tayo, sample is, mag-boyfriend ka, sample. Di ba? If kung gusto mo mag-drama dyan, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung lalaki magdadrama, date mo. Bakit ito bubulubang yun? Pero pag babae ka, di ba? Ang sarap ng feeling, ikaw binadra, no? Pag once na nagtampo ka, ikaw yung kaya mo mag-drama. Pero sabi ko na sa'yo, napaka-versatile na pagiging babae. Compared sa we can do everything. And I'm, yes. Proud ako maging babae. Sobra. Masaya akong babae ako. Makapangyarihan ako. I can do everything. I'm powerful. Ay, trust me. More than lalaki, ang babae, mas mahaba ang pasensya. Ang babae can take everything. All the pains and kaya yan, lalabanan yan. Okay? Lalabanan ng babae yan. Iiyak man tayo ng 100 times. Sabi ko sa'yo, pero tayo yung hindi sumusuko in the end. Most men, pag binigyan mo ng problema yan, kala mo lumalaban, but they give up easily. Right? Babae, hindi, iiyakan ka na. But after that, manda ka. Pag bumangon kami, lahat siyan. Walis. Lahat ng problema na yan, malilinis ko. We may look.
So, you're so happy that...
Yeah.
So you're so happy that you're in this lifetime you're a woman. Kasi we all know that we have been all genders in previous lifetimes as well. So
siguro kaya pin-experience sa akin to eh. Before I used to complain, bakit lagi babae ako? Kailangan mong mag-menstruation, everything masakit sa puson. Ang daming
true.
Pero ang lalaki pala, di ba? Konting sakit ng puso nila, masakit na. Subukan niyo magregla. Tingnan niyo kung gaanong kasakit mag-dysmenorrhea ang babae. Masakit Hindi nyo kaya yan. Pero tayo, we can endure the pain. Giving birth, dysmenorrhea every month. So, hindi nila kaya yan. Diba?
Yeah.
Kaya siguro pina-experience sa akin to.
So, it's
Babae
really
ka
fun
ngayon.
that in this lifetime. Yes. So true. So that is very beautiful. How about this? On a scale of 1 to 10, how weird are you?
Super. Maybe 11. Do you have 11?
I like weird. That.
Maybe 11. I'm more than weird. Sabi nga ng mga friends ko, sabi nga, pinakaluka-luka ako. Hindi nila ini-expect lagi ako. Kasi I used to be, well, they're scared of me. Kasi I was, super tapang. I can fight anything. Akala nga na previous nga life nga lalaki ako. But siguro pagiging weird, hindi nila in-expect magiging ko. Akala nila ako yung salbahe, ako yung suplada. Hindi nila si Merch pala yung yung matulungin. As in, part yung baliktad ng pagkatao ko. Hindi nakikita ng tao ko. And people think I don't believe in angels. I don't believe in demons. I don't believe in mystic. I don't believe in witches. But actually, it's the other way around. I'm more than that. I believe in angels. I believe in crystals. I believe in more than everything. As in, anything na hindi ini-expect ng tao sa akin.
So true. That's embracing.
Embracing the universe. Right?
Yeah. Do we have comments now on our Facebook page? Actually, it took me a while to read the comments because my Facebook is not loading, so I'm sorry. So all the ladies that are watching, I'd like to greet Fanny Rodriguez, Jenny, Nalia, Zai, Darlene Suelto, Myra. Myra is watching. And they are saying here, dimming your light for someone else is shit. Yun yung parang comment nila. And then another one, they're saying, thank you for choosing you. Thank you for choosing you, Miss Marjeline. Ayan. So they're thanking you for choosing you. And they can relate with you that their past life, lalaki din daw sila.
Correct.
Yeah. So those are the comments that I got that I can see. And they like your voice. They said, I love your voice, Mom Marjeline. And they love that you're choosing yourself first. And Dawn is also watching. Shields, Faith, Sabio is watching. Ayun. And Zai.
Hello.
So we have a lot of ladies watching us right now. Ayan. So as for weirdness.
Actually, masarap makipag-usap sa mga kapwa-babae.
So true.
You if you can impart a piece of you to each and every woman in the world, do it. Actually, I don't like talking to people. Ang dami kong sabi, you have to talk, Pero it's not inspiring. It's about immigration and everything. Ayoko na magsalita ng mga ganong bagay. I just wanted to share myself right now because when you invited me to talk about this, it's like, I want to share myself kasi parang may revolution na nangyari sa life ko lately na sabi nga ng mommy ko, natutulog kasi yung dragon ginising. So alam mo yun? Everybody talagang natutulog kasi yung dragon ginising. So parang nagbago, parang alam mo yan, ang tagal kong natulog. Ang tagal kong natulog in so many things. Mga taong naluloko and everything. Dinedma ko yun kasi focus na ako sa business. I'll do this, I'll do that. Ganyan. So focus on everything. Yung superficial lang. Pero hindi ko nakita yung sarili mo. Minsan pala hindi. You have to stop and see yourself. Where am I going? Am I really happy where I'm going? Am I really happy? Right at this moment, yung status ng life ko, am I really happy? You start asking yourself and assess yourself, until when will I be in this kind of situation? But sabihin nila, it's so difficult. There's another reason. You cannot do this, you cannot do that, you cannot. Hindi. It's you yourself can decide whether you want to step out or you want to do something good for yourself para mabuhay, para to prove pa. Kasi you only have, sabi ko nga, I have, my best, I used to say, sa best friend ko, sabi ko, we only have 8 years maximum siguro sa life natin. Swerte na kung magkaroon ka ng 80 years, some die 60 years, 60 years old. So 80 years. Sabihin natin maximum 80 years. I spend my 40 years for nothing. I mean, siguro learning to The 40 years is a learning. And then I have another 40 years. Hey, so I gotta do better. Although maybe shouldn't stop from learning, but then I gotta do better. Kasi natuto ka na dito sa mali mo. Natuto ka na sa mga hindi maganda. Sabi ko, apply mo. Kaya, paano mo siya i-apply? Umpisa mo sarili mo. Start loving yourself. Start seeing how beautiful you are. Start seeing what potential you can give sa mundo. This is short time lang to. We're not aliens. Hindi naman ako Dracula. Diba? Unlimited yung life ko. Kapag we only have maximum siguro sa akin 80 years.
As Marjeline, yes.
And I have to maximize that remaining 40. Doon sa mula 0 years old ako hanggang 40 ako, sabi ko, natuto ako sa lahat. And then this one, another 40, time to apply. Time to be better. Dapat adjust, ka na. Pagagandahin mo na sarili mo. Pagagandahin mo na lahat sa sarili mo. Diba?
Yes. I like that you ask questions. Before getting into that revolution, you actually started asking questions for yourself. Am I happy? Right? And that's very important because in a lot of our classes, we talk about asking questions and how we can by asking questions, we get more awareness of what we're going through. So that is very beautiful. And that's one of the ways that we could jumpstart some change when we ask questions, especially if you want to change things. Beautiful.
Exactly. Because
love it.
It will always start how you from a question. Kasi without that single question, hindi mo rin masasagot, wala kang solution. So always start the question sa sarili mo. Always start even asking God, what's my purpose in this world? And then slowly, God will never say, this is your purpose. No, God will never, He will show you slowly.
Yeah.
And it's up to you to realize, actually, even the synchronicity that you see around you, so may meaning to Why? Then you ask question, ano nga ba? Bakit mo ako binibigyan ng ganito? Why? Just start asking question every time. And then you get the answer slowly.
Yes, or the awareness, or at the same time, when you ask for better, like I've experienced this and I want to experience better. And I feel that is also very important and crucial when we ask for better. Like, how does it get any better than this? Like, how does it get any better? So, wow, I love that. So you're asking for better and better and better, and you're receiving better and better every day. I love that. So beautiful. And there's another question I'd like to ask. Like, so right now, how do you manage your business differently? Ate Pangging told me, Mommy Marge really does business differently. Like, you manage it differently. You don't do it the way other people do it. So how would you actually run it?
Other people kasi would delegate. Yung problema ko sa akin before I used to delegate. Parang before kasi na-realize, before you delegate something to your employees or to your staff, example, sabihin mo ng staff mo, sige, gawin mo to. Pero hindi mo siya gagawin. How would your staff know na yung gagawin mo? Nagawa nila is tama. So you show it first. Gumagawa sa akin kasi, when I show it, ako na gumagawa, I finish everything. Sabi ko. So ako din napagod. So ganun ako kalok-alokag. Isa yung sa pagiging weird ko. Example, I'll tell you na, can you please clean the Example lang can you please clean this? Ito gusto ko ganito, ganyan. So, ganito So, hawakan ko yung basahan. Example lang hawakan ko yung basahan. May tapos ko na. Sabi mo, nakatitig na siya, wala na siya nagawa. So, may ganyan ako weird, So, what I'm trying to say is that I've never learned before to delegate. But now, I've learned to delegate as well. Before ko i-delegate, hina-half-half ko yung trabaho. Para at least along the way, alam ng tao na ginagawa niya, na tama siya, at hindi kami mag-aaway at mali yung ginagawa niya. Another thing, how I manage the business, alam mo yun, You treat your people like a family. I never treat my staff or my employees, my employees na, you're different, empleyado lang kita, paglabas mo wala akong pakialam sa'yo. No, I treat them like a family. Okay? Para sa akin, a company should be built like a family. Doon mo mabibuild yung trust, yung pagmamahal sa tao mo. And at the end of the day, whatever happens, may problema. May problema sa let's say, yung sales mababa and everything. Makikita mo yung tao mo, magtutulungan din. Sila talaga. Kasi tinuring mo silang pamilya, alam nila ma-affect din ang pamilya nila. So, pamilya tayo, may problema. Kailangan natin ito, ng ganyan. So, yes. So, sila makikita mo, sa puso nila, ibibigay yung service nila. Without us, do I need you have to pay me twice na to? Hindi, makikita mo kasi from the start, tinuring mo silang pamilya. In a sense na parang, kung need nila, makikiramdam ka, hindi dahil boss ka, hindi ka makikiramdam. Hindi dahil boss ka, ang concern mo lang yung kikitain mo sa tao mo. Hindi dahil boss ka, ang concern mo lang yung oras ng trabaho nila, anong oras na tatapos, or at deadline nila. Hindi. Tanungin mo, kumain na ba yan? Tanungin mo yung tao mo, may sakit ka ba? So, you're not happy. What's wrong? May problema sa pamilya? Okay, if you feel like talking to me, talk to me. If you feel like sharing, share to me. So, baka may maitulong ako. So, that's how you build your company. Weird ako, pero that's how I build my company. Wow. I treat them like a family. Pamilya. That's why I don't like yung malaking upan, yung masyadong malaking marami. Minsan kasi sabi ko, dami ko na pamilya. Pero yun,
what if you can handle it because you're such a very unique individual and you're very unique, you can actually run it. But yeah, if it's fun. But here's a comment. Wait. So it's really more of treating your team as a family at the same time and trusting them.
Trusting.
So yes.
Give them chance to do that. Improve yourself nila na they can do this also.
Yes.
Parang ganon.
Yes. So you give them
you teach them.
Yeah. Love it.
The half of it. But before, hindi nga ganon na, di ba? So I'll learn it. Na parang, hey, you show them the job. Maybe pakita mo sa kanila this is how you do it. But let them do after. Para as if showing them that you trust them, ilabas nila yung ability nila. And eto pa, one thing, always compliment. Always give gratitude to your people. Isa yan sa natutunan ko. Gratitude to your people, and at the same time, i-compliment mo. Hey, you did a good job. Always. Always keep that word. Say na, if they're doing a good job, compliment. Don't just say, thank you. You do something. Basta huwag mo kalimutan maging grateful sa lahat ng tao mo. Yes. So you have a question.
Yeah.
So
that is very beautiful. Yeah. Ano?
Ang daldal ko.
Yeah. So yun. I love it. I love it. We actually love it. They're saying, wow, kanina, I think this was a comment of your earlier statement about unleashing Khaleesi. You're the mother of dragons. Mother of dragons daw ikaw. You're very cute and fierce and they like it and they enjoy your energy. Meaning you are someone who's willing to be all energies. Like you can be sweet, you can be fierce whenever your energy is needed or required, no? That is also very beautiful. So yan yung mga comments nila. And going back to doing your business differently. Yes. So yeah, going back to you doing your business differently.
Thank you so much. Oh,
okay. Yeah. So actually, they enjoy you, and they're very grateful that you're on our space because we really love to learn from women and ladies like you, who could, who has this guts to choose for themselves, no, and who's willing and vulnerable enough. We actually honor and acknowledge you for being vulnerable enough at the beginning, the challenge that you had to go through about not facing the self and yet now you're you're rediscovering yourself, and that is very beautiful and something that we can draw upon. And
you know,
here's
whatever
another
experience,
fun
the bad
question.
experience, you know,
You have two more.
you,
Yeah.
two more questions. Okay. You know, the
Yeah.
bad experience, sabi ko, I never considered it. Pero kung
Ay,
ano
sige
naman
po.
yung pains, kung ano yung pains na naramdaman ko, whatever the pains, yung happiness, ano yung katangahan, lahat yun, always ako sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, thankful ako. Because whatever it is na nangyari sa akin in the past, I've learned a lot. Each moment, I stumbled into something. I say, thank you. It's a learning. It's always a learning. I've always feel na parang winner pa rin ako kahit natalo ko. Winner pa rin ako kahit niloko ako. Winner pa rin ako kahit na. Always feel winner sa sarili mo. In order for you to enjoy yung sarili mo, accept mo yung sarili mo.
I love that spirit.
Winner. Yeah, winner. Winner ka pa rin. Kasi win or lose, you're still a winner because you learned something. Panalo pa rin tayo, you know? Yun.
I love that spirit. I love that spirit about, you know, you don't see yourself the victim in this, but rather you see yourself as someone who chose yourself despite of, and you're grateful even for the experience. So that's one of the reasons that makes you different from other people. Na, you know, other people could use this as an excuse not to create, like, I'm this and I'm that. But you don't use it as an excuse. So that is something that is very inspiring, and I know you're really one of the unique beings. So here's a question. So you're really grateful for all of your beautiful shares. So here's a fun question. If you could be any animal in the world, what animal would you like to be?
Kasali ba yung dragon sa animal na yan? Parang hindi naman mythical.
Pwede. Yes. Okay lang. That's still an animal or creature.
Animal ba? Anyway. Since birth kasi daw tawag mo sa akin dragon. Hindi ko alam mo ka ba
dragon? I like that. Maybe you really have the dragon energy.
Even my mom, even my mga friends ko, college, high school, ayan yung dragon. I mean, really because they see matapang and everything, but I don't see myself a dragon. Pero siguro dragon nga. Tinuloko nila ako lagi, are you the dragon ba ngayon?
I like dragons. I like dragons, Mommy Marge. Dragons are very powerful and dragons are unstoppable.
Yeah.
Okay, dragons have this beautiful thing about being unstoppable, and that is you in how you create your life. You don't allow anybody to stop, even though madedelay ka lang ng konti in choosing you, because you know you're very kind. Okay, so some people may see you as very fierce and all, but you're actually very kind. You're actually very kind.
Dragons are very kind naman.
Too kind.
No, loyal pa nga yung mga yan. Pero, yeah, siguro. But, you know, so one thing about it, siguro, siguro embrace ko yung pagiging dragon ko. But in a different way, na yung dragon na nakakatakot. Hindi.
Yeah.
You have to, how important yung tawag ito, yung character mismo talaga ng dragon. Siguro nasa katawan ko nga. Kasi, hindi siguro sa mukha, pero sa katawan ko, nasa spirito ko. So,
dragon energies.
Yes.
Actually, very powerful dragon energies. It's one of the fun. True. So love it. So at least, wow, dragon. I love that. So how about, yeah. So here's an out of the blue fun question again. What is the most expensive thing you bought for yourself? What is the most expensive thing?
My home.
Wow.
My home.
Wow.
Yes, my home.
Yes, maybe my home. Beautiful.
Yes. Ay, tips nga pala sa mga girls.
Love that.
Makikipagrelasyon kayo and you buy something property for you, don't include your husband or your boyfriend. Sometimes sa panaghiwalay kayo, mahirapan kayo magkaano. So, just name mo na sarili mo. Hindi mahirap, trust me.
Yes.
Love proper, anything na binili mo, pinaghirapan yan. So, i-value mo yun. Sarili mo lang. Pero kung ano man yung mga ng boyfriend, girlfriend, okay. Huwag mo na isama sa pangalan mo, yung mga title.
So true.
Mas
I
magaling
love that. Beautiful tip. So all the
Beautiful
ladies
tip.
who are creating out there, so here's a tip.
I'm not
Yes.
asking you na ano, hanap to change.
That is very
But
beautiful.
you're going
And
to
also very
invest
practical
yes.
in the
Invest
future.
something sa sarili mo na lang. Huwag ka nang, kahit mahal na mahal mo yung guy, trust me girl, kung darating yung time, pwedeng maghiwalay kayo, mahirap maghiwalay ng property. So, gawin niyo yung ganawa ko, walang pangalan sa kanya, sa'yo lahat. Total, ikaw nag-ipon.
Yeah.
Okay? Napuputol. Ano?
Yes, so fun, so fun. Wow, it's a very beautiful night with you, Mommy Marge, and I know I'd love to stay on and chat, but we're nearing.
Well, thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you, thank you.
Nahulog ako sa internet.
Oo nga eh. Oo nga
Sorry
eh.
about that. So I
Pero it was this is a very nice talk. It's good to share your experience, your thoughts sa ibang tao. So maybe baka may mga taong needed to hear this at this moment. They will be inspired also. So this is a good program. Continue doing this, girl. As in talagang maganda to.
Yeah. And we're so honored to have you here, and we hope to see you soon. One of these days when the COVID, goes, when everything, all the restrictions stops and all of that. Yeah, what else is possible? And really, really honored. So they're agreeing on what you just said about hindi daw nila isasali ang kanilang boyfriend. So they get their own. on the ano. So yeah, that
thank you.
So very wise and practical. Awesome. So we love everybody. So we honor everybody who's watching us until the end, until now. And thank you. Grateful for all. Ate Pangging is saying hello. She just caught with us. She's laughing while driving home. She's driving, so she could not join us. But she's Brisbane, Australia.
Namimiss ko na kayo.
Si
I have to
baby
see you guys.
So true. We have to see each other soon. So yeah, thank you so much, Mommy Marge, and what a blessing. And we are so grateful to have you. And to all our viewers, bye-bye. See you next
Thank you so
week.
much. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye all. See you.
Bye-bye.